Hey guys, in this lecture I am going to show you that how you can delete the object and the properties. So how you can delete the object and properties? As you know, for deleting something a keyword is using which is del. So as the same keyword we are going to utilize that keyword and delete some of the object and its properties. Here I just create a class and the class name here is car. Okay, now same is the case like I am just using init method which is the parameter of self. Okay, now here self dot name, okay, which is equal to name right here, and here you can see that self dot color which is equal to, I just write color, and you can see that self dot model which is equal to, I just write model here. Now here creating the parameter which is firstly the name, then here we have the color, and then we have the model as well. Okay, now here you can see firstly I am just creating the object, so C1 which is equal to, I just write car, where I just provide that let's suppose the car here is Ford, and then here you can see that the car color here is white, and then model of the car here is 2020. Same is the case like I'm just creating some of the object number 2, where I just write Toyota, sorry, this is Toyota. Okay, and then here the Toyota color here is black, and then the model of the Toyota here is, I just write 2015. Then here I just write 4. So here I'm just writing this is BMW, and the color here is, I just write any color name, green or white or black, so this is 2019 as a model. Okay, now as you can see here my object, sorry for that, this is the model, and sorry, model which is equal to, okay, now just run it again. So you can see here that we are creating an object here, and these all are the self as the parameters and the variables. Okay, now when you are just getting the object right here, so as you know that we are simply creating the object right here, and then you have to call or create that objects, or you have to simply print that object. Okay, now here you can see that firstly I will print these objects for you guys. Okay, where I just write C1 dot name. Okay, then here I just write C1 dot color, then here you can see that I have to write C1 dot model name. Okay, then here you can see that I just write this is C2, and then here at last we have C3 as well, so let's just see C4. Okay, C4 as well. So as you can see this is my output for that all code. Now I will tell you that how we can delete some of the objects from it. Let's just see, I just write del as a keyword, and then here I just write C1 and then name. So with the help of that object I am deleting the property from C1 which is name, as you can see, and then here I am just writing that print message, and then you can see that. So here you can see that the car attribute is not available right here just because of we already deleted. Or you can also write like del, and del here is C2 as well. Okay, let's just run it this code. So here I am just printing that C2 right here. Let's just run it again. So you can see here that firstly that will this program is not moving to that just because of here we didn't provide, or this property of the object here is deleted. And remove this, run this code. So you can see here at that stage this code is working. Now when it's just come to this iteration, so this iteration here is delete, so you can see here C2 is not defined just because of here we delete this object right here. Hope so you understand now that how you can use the del keyword with the help of del keyword with object and classes to delete the object and its properties. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.